All right, this house is in Smyrna off of Fawn, in Fawn Lane, near Concord Road in the village there in Smyrna. You could ride your bike literally a mile, less than a mile, to the Silver Comet Trail. And this weekend, if you wanted to, if you lived in this house, you could bicycle your way all the way to Alabama. All right, here we go. So let me tell you what's different. We have opened up all of the walls. As soon as you walk in the front door, there used to be a wall right where my hand is, and there used to be a wall kind of right there. And so we put in a great big engineered beam, actually two of them I think, which are held up by these columns. And this is what you get. So I'll do a panoramic view, nice, beautiful, open floor plan, worked out great. Let's go talk about the kitchen a little bit. Kitchen, really nice range. We created a space where you've got a little bit of breakfast area here, even with the range in place. This kitchen was closed off before, and I think it turned out really, really nice. Let's talk about the drawers. Dovetailed, soft close. Same with the cabinets. Really nice kind of industrial faucet in here. And get a look at the kitchen from here. Do a panoramic. I need a wide angle lens for this, don't I? Okay, all right. Let's go check out the screen porch. You got a really nice screen porch here with a very, very nice backyard. A dinner bell if you want one. And let's go check out the bathrooms. We installed this 3/4 inch hardwood floor. You know, one thing with Nice Guys Buying Houses, we're looking for quality all the time. And in this price point, we felt like it required 3/4 inch hardwoods as opposed to the luxury vinyl plank that some people are putting in. This vintage style bathroom turned out so good. You've got all new, everything's been replaced in here. And we're gonna go out back in the hallway. Nice big bedroom here. Nice big bedroom here. And then the master. It'll hold a king size bed with some room to spare. And really beautiful bathroom. Really well done. The designer did an excellent job here with this tile, and then a beautiful stand-up shower. Excellent tile work. I love it. I hope you do too. The list price on it is $300,000. And there's one more thing I want to show you. In all of these little old ranches in Smyrna and Marietta that we found, the laundry was downstairs. So what we've done is we found a spot on the main level to put the laundry. So those of you that don't want to go up and downstairs to a basement, here you go. Now, speaking of the basement, let's take a peek downstairs. Try not to fall. Downstairs in the basement, nice and bright. You've got lots of options down here if you ever wanted to finish it in the future. We do have a brand new HVAC unit in here, ready to go, a Train XR80. Because at Nice Guys Buying Houses, we put in quality stuff. And I believe that this water heater is new as well. Nope, I'm sorry, the water heater was fine. It's built in 2014. Extra paint. And that's it. Over here is where the laundry used to be. It's not there any longer, and we've moved everything upstairs. All right, everybody. Any questions, hit us up, would you? And if you know anybody looking for a house in Smyrna, why don't you give us a call? And Nice Guys Buying Houses, we're looking for more houses to buy, renovate, and transform. I hope you have a great day.